Water standing still is never a good sign. Let's fix by creating a proper drainage slope. Using HardCrete 310. Step 1. Start by setting your slope guide. Use a level hose to establish the correct height and direction for water flow. Step 2. A clean surface is the foundation of a strong bond. Remove dust, debris, and any contaminants. Make sure the substrate is solid and sound. Step 3. Dampen the area a few hours before applying cement grip. This helps improve adhesion and prevents rapid drying. Step 4. Stir the cement grip thoroughly until it reaches a consistent texture. Apply the cement grip evenly using a cotton roller. This layer acts like a bonding agent between the old surface and the new mortar. Step 5. Measure 4.0 to 4.5 liters of clean water into a container. Gradually add one 25 kilogram bag of HardCrete 310 while mixing with an electric mixer. Mix thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. Step 6. Pour the mixture evenly onto the substrate, following your slope guide. Using steel trowels, carefully guide the mortar to form a consistent slope leading to the drain. Precision here ensures water flows exactly where it should. Step 7. Allow the surface to cure for at least 24 hours. Once set, your drainage slope is ready to perform. For reliable slope formation and consistent performance, trust HardCrete 310. Available at all Buildrite Hubs nationwide and official online shops.